puppy Cooper.
Okay. Turn around. Say hello.
I can't see. I'm
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys. Maria to make
Okay, so we're going to attempt to make
stovetop
stovetop s'mores. We're attempting to do stovetop
So
s'mores.
we're attempting
These
to
are
do
my 2 assistants. One with the takeover spirit,
Okay.
and then my youngest.
No, I'm the editor. Okay. And this.
So
Mama,
we
you
started with
Can you stop?
the skillet on about medium height.
Stop.
Like a spider.
Okay, guys.
And
this
we're gonna
guy's right
put
here.
the chocolate. Oh, so now you don't want to talk. Okay. Well, now y'all see why I do mainly voiceovers because my house is total chaos with these two.
But guys, like this video and subscribe this video because if you don't, then you're gonna be mad at this video because if you subscribe this video, then you're going to be our biggest fan. If you subscribe, then we're gonna give you $100,000.
No. Oh
We got our pot on medium heat. We're gonna start with the Hershey's chocolate bars directly into the pan.
no.
Yes, what he said. Go subscribe. Anyway, put your chocolates into a preheated pan. They're going to start melting very quickly. Add your marshmallows on top. And then when those melt, you can just scoop them out like dip onto the graham crackers. And voila. They were quite delicious. We had a good time. Will you try this with your kids?